Welcome back to another iDaily Buzz special. Today, we are talking about Heygen. Now, what makes this really exciting is that it's not just any kind of generic AI. This technology is all about realism, quality, and customization. You choose your virtual presenter, input your text, and the AI brings it to life with natural voices, expressive visuals, and even a variety of accents and languages. It's kind of like having your own video production team. Available 24/7 that can work in any language you need. And the best part, it's surprisingly easy to use. You don't need any video production or editing skills to make something that looks professional. I'll be showing you exactly how it works, from the avatars and voices you can choose to the customization features that help make each video unique. We'll even talk about real-world applications to show just how versatile this tool is. So if you're ready to see just how simple and powerful AI video creation can be, and if you're curious about how it could save you time and money, stick around. One of the standout features of Heygen is its AI-powered lifelike avatars. This is a game changer for anyone looking to create professional videos without the hassle of traditional filming. Imagine having a virtual presenter who looks, sounds, and expresses emotions just like a real person, but all you have to do is type your script. These avatars are incredibly realistic, making it easy to create engaging content without needing a real actor or expensive production equipment. With Heygen, you can choose from a wide range of avatars, each designed to fit different styles and demographics. Whether you're creating corporate videos, educational content, or marketing materials, there's an avatar that can match the tone and feel of your project. And the best part, you can customize these avatars to better align with your brand or project needs. For example, you can adjust the delivery of your script, choosing from various emotions like excitement, seriousness, or even humor to make the avatar's presentation match the mood of your content. These avatars don't just speak your script, they actually act it out. They have realistic facial expressions, natural body language, and even gestures, making them feel alive and authentic. The AI behind these avatars analyzes the tone and context of your script and adapts the presentation accordingly. So it's not just a robotic voice reading your words. Instead, it's a dynamic, engaging presenter who can truly connect with your audience. One of the most impressive features of Heygen is its text-to-video in minutes capability. With just a few lines of text, you can create an entire video. No cameras, no actors, and no complex editing software required. This is a huge time saver for anyone who needs to produce content quickly and efficiently. Here's how it works. You simply type out your script. Yes, that's it. Heygen takes your text and automatically converts it into a video with a lifelike AI avatar that delivers your message. It's all powered by artificial intelligence, so the avatar will speak your script in a natural, engaging way with the correct pacing and tone. You don't have to worry about voiceovers or syncing audio with visuals. Heygen does all of that for you. Not only does this process save you time, but it also makes video creation accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skills. You don't need to be a video editing expert or own expensive equipment to produce professional-looking videos. With Heygen, all it takes is a well-written script, and you can have a fully finished video in just minutes. Plus, Heygen's text-to-video feature isn't just fast, it's flexible. You can customize your videos by selecting the avatar you want, adjusting the background, and even tweaking the avatar's tone and expressions to match the mood of your content. Whether you're creating explainer videos, product demos, or social media clips, this feature lets you generate high-quality content with ease. Another great feature of Heygen is its customizable backgrounds and branding options, which allow you to make your videos truly your own. Whether you're creating content for your brand, a business, or even just a personal project, Heygen gives you the flexibility to tailor the visuals so your videos align perfectly with your style and identity. First off, you can choose from a variety of pre-made backgrounds that fit different types of content. Whether you need a professional, sleek office setting for corporate videos, a creative studio for something more artistic, or a more neutral backdrop for educational content, there are plenty of options to choose from. But that's not all. You also have the option to upload your own background images or videos, so you can match the video's environment to your brand's specific look. Imagine using your own office branding, product images, or even a location that aligns with your content's theme. This customization makes your videos feel much more professional and on brand. On top of backgrounds, Heygen also lets you add logos and text overlays. This means you can incorporate your brand's logo into the video, making sure your content stays consistent and recognizable across all your videos. You can also add text in any font, size, or color, so it fits seamlessly into the video and reinforces your message. Whether it's a call to action or important information, these text overlays can help guide your audience and ensure the message is clear. And it's not just about the visual appeal, these branding options also give your content a sense of coherence and professionalism that will resonate with your viewers. It's perfect for businesses that need to maintain consistent branding across a range of videos, but also great for content creators who want to stand out and make their videos feel unique and tailored to their audience. Let's dive into the pricing for Heygen. Heygen offers several pricing tiers to cater to different needs. The free plan is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting to try out the tool before committing. It offers limited features and a set number of video minutes, but it's a great starting point for testing. For users who need more flexibility and access to additional features, the Pro plan is ideal. This plan includes more video minutes, access to premium templates, and higher quality video outputs. It's perfect for content creators, small businesses, or anyone regularly producing AI-generated videos. If you're running a larger team or business, there's the Enterprise plan, which offers custom pricing based on the volume of video generation you need. It also includes advanced features, team collaboration tools, and priority support. Heygen's pricing is designed to scale with your needs, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. That wraps up our overview of Heygen. As we've explored, Heygen is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to create text to video in minutes. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, Heygen allows you to transform simple text into high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. The platform's intuitive interface makes it easy to generate engaging videos, while the customizable backgrounds and branding options give you full control over the look and feel of your content. You can choose from a variety of scenes or upload your own visuals to match your style and message. Plus, Heygen offers logos and text overlays, so you can add that extra layer of personalization or branding to your videos. This is especially useful for businesses looking to create promotional or explainer videos with a professional touch. The flexibility in customization allows you to make your videos stand out and truly represent your brand. Overall, Heygen is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to produce high-quality video content quickly while keeping it unique and on-brand. You can create professional-grade videos without the need for advanced video editing skills. Heygen makes the entire process simple and efficient. If you're interested in trying Heygen yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of its features and if there are other AI tools you'd like me to review or dive into next. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I cover the latest and greatest trends in AI tools, sharing tips, reviews, and insights to help you get the most out of these technologies, whether you're a developer, content creator, or just curious about what AI can do. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring what AI can do. See you in the next video.